Dear students, now in continuation of ranking cycle, we are Dr. Ajay Kumar once again. Here there is a very simple formula for calculating pump work that we are going to see over here. So that pump work we have seen in previous lecture video, that is pump work is nothing but your VDP. Whatever volume is sucked of water, that is your V3, and P1 minus PB is your dP change in pressure, whereas this P1 is your boiler pressure and PB is your back pressure or condenser pressure, right? So now students, if P1 and PB are given in numerical part with a specific volume V3, we can calculate pump work like this. So P1 minus PB, right? And this volume V3, we can write that is nothing but a reciprocal of density, that is density of water, right? So students, if P1 and PB are given in unit bar, right? If P1 and PB are given in unit bar, so convert P1 and PB into Newton per meter square, right? Multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 to convert it to kilo Newton per meter square, right? And this specific volume is written, that is reciprocal of density, right? So there is written here rho is density of water, right? So it is written converting into, from here to here it is converted into kilo Newton per meter square. This is 1. So 1 density of water is having in it kg per meter cube, right? So all together with this unit, finally it comes out as a kilo Newton meter per kg, right? Now you put about this numerical values like this. So finally it comes out P1 minus PB upon 10, that is kilojoule per kg, because this Newton meter is joule, so it is your kilojoule and then per kg. So finally pump work comes out as a P1 minus PB upon 10, right? Kilojoule per kg. Students, please remember P1 and PB are in bar, right? Right? Yeah, this 1000 already you know. Density of water is your 1000 kg per meter cube. So please remember, directly you can calculate pump work in terms of boiler pressure and back pressure. So generally in numerical part, this boiler pressure and back pressure or condenser pressures are given. Right. Now students, advantage of ranking cycle over Carnot cycle I told you. Let us move to here now. This is very important. Comparison with this table. So first, as a particular written efficiency. So this is for your ranking and this column is for your Carnot. So efficiency in case of ranking cycle is low and in case of Carnot cycle high. Why it is so? Because I already know, dear students, Carnot cycle is an ideal cycle in which all processes are reversible processes, right? We have written earlier, that is 1 minus TL upon TH. This is your Carnot cycle efficiency. TL temperature at low temperature and TH is temperature at high value. So being Carnot cycle is an ideal cycle, always efficiency would be more than a ranking cycle. Now dear students, work ratio. I told you work ratio is your net work, that is turbine work minus compressor work divided by turbine work. This compressor work is more in case of Carnot cycle because that pump is going to handle a non-homogeneous mixture of water and steam. So this compressor work or pump work is more in case of Rankine cycle, and therefore work ratio is low in Carnot cycle, and in a Rankine cycle it is very high. Right, now come to SSC, specific steam consumption or steam rate. This is high in case of Carnot cycle. Reason once again same. Carnot cycle is an ideal cycle in which all processes are ideal one, reversible isentropic compression and reversible isentropic expansion. Due to this reason, this Carnot cycle is having SSC high. Now students, plant size. Plant size is smaller in Rankine cycle and bigger in Carnot cycle. Again, reason remains same. This pump work, that is pump handles in Carnot cycle, that is handling mixture of water and steam. Steam is voluminous. It will take more size to be accommodated in pump, and therefore it could be bulky in size. Henceforth written plant size would be bigger for Carnot, for Rankine it is small. So dear students, now we will moving to numerical part in next video. So in next video onwards, please concentrate so that we can solve numerical part in your